If you're showing up consistently, but sales still feel slow or uneven, the problem may not be your effort, right? It may be that you're trying to grow too many things at the same time. When your focus is split, your results usually are too. So I've seen this happen with many business owners, including myself, who are just doing a lot, right? When you're an entrepreneur or a creator, or it's just you sometimes by yourself, or you might be a leader, a founding member or a founder of a company, and you got a lot on your plate, right? So there's a lot happening. And because of that, your focus might be split in a whole bunch of different directions. So the company might post regularly, and they might talk to different audiences, and they might even offer several different services, so that on the surface it looks like they're doing everything right. But when we look at sales, nothing feels steady. Some weeks are good, some weeks are bad, some weeks are quiet, right? That's usually a sign that the business hasn't chosen one clear priority. Okay. Here's an easy way to picture it, right? Imagine trying to walk into three directions at one time, right? You come into a fork in the road, you can go left, you can go right, you can go straight, and you try to go all three directions at the same time, right? So you're moving, but you're not moving very far. And that's usually what happens, right? You might take some little baby steps. You're trying to go here, trying to go there, but you're not going to go anywhere. And that's what actually happens with your marketing, especially when it's inconsistent, right? And there's no focus. Your energy is going to end up being spread very thin. So nothing's actually going to build momentum, and you're not really going to grow or go anywhere. So what's likely going wrong is that your marketing is asking people to understand too many things at one time. So different messages, different offers, different promises, and then that makes it harder for buyers to actually decide. So when people feel unsure, they're going to wait. They're going to stop. They're going to maybe even think about it, and they might even walk away and not come back, right? Because waiting shows up as being slow or inconsistent sales. So the key insight is this, okay? Sales will grow faster when your business chooses one main direction and sticks to it, okay? One audience, one problem, one offer to lead with. Everything else can exist, but it should support that one main focus, not compete with it, not take over it, right? So here's an action that you can take. It's simple. You can take it today. Ask yourself, what is one offer that I want to grow right now? Then look at your content and your messaging and make sure that it mostly points back to that one thing. Okay. You're not removing any options forever. You're just giving one direction space to work in right now. This is your focus. Okay. So this is a simple takeaway. Being consistent is good, but consistency only works best when it's focused consistency. Okay. So find your direction. Clear marketing direction turns your effort into steady progress and growth. Make sense? All right. If this was helpful to you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily brand and growth insights with me, LaMorvielle. All right, friend. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.